Hello and welcome back to another Top Biz Guides tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be giving an overview of the different kind of reports that we can generate in our Homebase account. First thing that we want to do in order to view these reports is navigate over to the left sidebar and then click on Reports. Now, I'm not going to go over each individual report. Instead, we'll actually only focus on the overview page in order to keep this video short. However, it's important to note that the more that you use Homebase and the more shifts are scheduled and clocked into, the more robust and accurate these reports will be. So let's take a look at the overview, for example. Here, for this week, and I can filter for other date ranges as well, I'll be able to see the scheduled hours versus actual hours. So I can see how much I'm actually using on labor. And it'll actually show me percentages too. Was this higher than last week? How does it compare to the last week? What is the scheduled? What is the actual? What is the difference in hours, cost, and in percentage of sales? I can see the scheduled hours by role, the average shift feedback that I get from my employees at the end of the shift. I could see whether they clocked in on time or they're late, or there are exceptions. I could see the number of sales. Again, this is always due to the amount of data that you choose to display and choose to use, right? So if you track sales or not, that'll differentiate the type of report that you get. So this is the overview report, running through the other types of report that we can see. So we talked about scheduled hours, we talked about scheduled versus actual clocked in, we talked about on-time arrival, shift feedback, hourly labor costs, labor by role, labor cost summary, sales summary. If you add that information, it's an option, you don't always have to add it, and also statistics on the different departments and certificates that we have in our Homebase account. So that's it for this overview on the reports that you can generate in the Homebase account. If you'd like a more detailed video about this, please let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, I hope to see you on the next one.